Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing Obby and Run. So I didn't even try this game, so let's try to this other. So I'm gonna be entering the game. I'm gonna enter the game. So it's opening right now. So yeah, I think it's gonna be like speed run or something like this, because its name is Obby Run. So like speed run, Obby Run, and it's update. So yeah, it's have 14k likes, so people like this game. But what am I doing? What is going on? I was bounding. Oh my god. Okay, let's reopen the game. Let's see this. So yeah, XC. So yeah, here we have the update. Can you race your way to the top before anyone else? Race alongside 16 other players in this exciting race to the top. Be the first one to the top for prizes and more. Obby is different every time you play. Buy awesome capes and gear from the shop. Use blah blah blah. Okay, have entered the game. Oh yeah, I know this game. I was playing it. I have one win. Oh, okay, but like yeah, it's not really that good. I thought I didn't play before. I didn't know that the name of this game is like this. So we're gonna try to win at checkpoint. Some lollipops. Let's try memorizing those colors. Okay, red, purple, green, blue. Red, purple, green, blue. Red, purple, green. Guys, be stick on the end of the video, then say the colors on the chat without re-seeing the video. I don't want you to see the video again from the start, so you know the colors. And if you did it, yeah, what do I do? Yeah, I'm gonna do what game you're gonna ask for, but you need to not cheat back to know what is the colors. The game you're gonna say for me, I'm gonna play it. But you need to be serious. Please don't lie on this. I'm trying to see if you are smart or memorizing things. So I'm almost done with the Obby. I don't know if I'm really. Yeah, it's up there. It's like almost done, but we have multiplied with 3. I think that means there's 3 people up there. So yeah, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, we lost. Okay, let's try again though. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. We're gonna do it. Let's go. Let's go. I think I'm from the first people on the way. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's see. We are able to do this Obby to be the first, or no? So I'm trying to be the one who wins on this one though. Though it's hard, but let's try. It's gonna be the first win in the first place. So yeah. What the fuck? What am I doing though? I'm going crazy here. Ah! This is easy, but it's at the same time hard. Easy, hard. It's equal in the easy and the hard. What? Finally. And it was easy, by the way. But I was a bot. Let's do this. No. Just walk. And I'm gonna do myself. Okay, let's get to the new checkpoint. Oh, I'm literally lagging there. There's people, I'm sure there's some people that already are so close to the finish or they finished. Like, yeah, I'm in here and I see not that much people down there, so yeah, you know, I could be from the last people, but still nobody just watched it, so let's see if you can do this. I don't care for now. Okay, do you know that this bowl is like turning, but it's for me, I don't think it's turning. Okay, this all. Oh no, I need to do it fast. No! So let me alone. Let me alone to do this. Okay, I'm done with this round, so let's get to the new round. Oh my god, somebody's waiting for someone. But there's still somebody who's playing the game here in front of me. In front of me. No, I'm lagging. Oh, I need to do it in the battery. Are you kidding me? What? I lost my turn being a winner. Literally, like, see? It's almost done because somebody went to the top. Don't say this is gonna kill me, bro. Okay, I'm very close to I'm behind this girl. Oh no. Please let me to win. Please let me to win. Please. Oh my god. Level up. Thanks to you for saying I gotta level up. Oh my god, this girl, I'm behind her. No, she's gonna do the finish. I was gonna be the first one though. Okay, I got first win. It wasn't my first win. I have here 2 wins on my name. Are you kidding me? So guys, I'm gonna end it in here because I got the win. What do you want else except for win? So I'm gonna see you in the next video. And hopefully somebody answer in the comments and try to guess it. For me, I think I know it. Nah, I don't think I know it anymore. But please don't get back to see it. It's just a challenge to know what I'm gonna be playing next video. And I'm gonna see the comments again in one day, tomorrow. I'm gonna be seeing it. Gonna see the comments and know who was, I don't know. Just I want to know who was like really smart for this. So I'm gonna end it here. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe the video. Bye.